welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a Christmassy apartment tour, and I'm only speaking in a British accent because it's Zoe and I's inside joke and she's behind the camera. Kind of Australian. Anyways, to our right we have our laundry room. Nothing to see there except some... Nothing interesting to see there except some cat poopy and the thing that catches it. Don't zoom. And then our utility closet, which is slap full of stuff. Yeah, it's bad. If you want to stand over here and kiss me, there's mistletoe. This is our lovely kitchen. Ooh. And it's recently been renovated, which I really love because it's got the gray and the white and the marble look to it, and it's really pretty and we love it. This is our always very full fridge and freezer. Over here we have a little coffee bar where we have a little lazy Susan with all your holiday coffee needs. She's kind of cheap, so she slides around. And our little Keurig and our little water thingy and our baking slash rice thing. It doesn't even close because it's so full. And then this is our supplement cabinet slash kitchen island. We keep our supplements in here, and between the four of us there's a lot. Our always full pantry with the door that magically pops open because it's haunted.
Stay out of the way.
The dishes that are always full, even though I do them probably once or twice a day, they're always in there because when you have 4 people in a household, that's what happens. And our little Christmas trees, little sleigh rides thing. It's all very Christmassy and I love it. Moving much along. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the house, is this just whole view right here. It's no longer Thanksgiving, so we do need to take down the gather sign. But we just have like a little tablescape, and since we don't have anywhere to put like our keys and purses yet, we kind of just like hang them and put them here, which is why they're here. But these little these 2 plates are actually Kate Spade, and I got this whole set of like holly Christmasware at Goodwill actually, and it also comes with the mugs that were there in the coffee bar. And then these gold plates I got on Facebook Marketplace, and it came with these that bowl and a couple other things, and it was like 10 bucks. And then all of these chargers I believe are from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. So yeah, and then the placemats were a gift. And then this is like Zoe and I's baby. So this tree is actually Zoe's with like the colored lights, but we decided to do something really fun with it and get these massive ornaments that they had at Home Depot. So we got a few of these and then a few like really big ones. And then like a pack that came with all these like little smaller ones. And then we put a little bow on top and some tinsel that the cats keep ingesting. And yeah, I love this tree. I think it turned out so cute, and it's so happy. I love it. And then these are my presents on the bottom. We'll get to Zoe's in a second, don't worry.
Oh God.
So over here is our very dark and depressing living room because there's not an actual ceiling light in here, and we haven't bought a lamp. So this is all we have for illumination. But it's fine because it actually is kind of pretty cozy, especially at night and stuff. Oh, we forgot to turn on this garland. So yeah, we just have like a little garland in here and some candy canes that the cats keep literally swatting onto the floor. We find them all over the floor every day. And yeah, we just have like a little plant setting over here, just super cute. Love it. And this blankie that my mom got me, which is super cute. And then probably my favorite aesthetic, well, second favorite probably to the colorful tree, is this garland fireplace and then our matching Christmas tree. First of all our matching stockings are really cute, and I'm sorry, but Max and Lily's and the little tiny ones are just so cute. This wreath we found at Michael's, and we got for like what, 40% off?
50. It was
50%
half off.
and it's so gorgeous and matches like our whole vibe up here. And then all of our stockings are from Target. You'll find them there like every year. They've redone them like every year. These are Zoe's presents for her family because she loves them more than I love my family. Everywhere. And then our little Christmas tree. So this is actually my Christmas tree, but Zoe's ornaments. So it's kind of silver and black, and then the little pops of cranberry red, and then this beautiful little bow with this paper. We found this at Home Depot too, right? Yeah. And it's so pretty, and it's such a good tree topper, so yeah. We love it. And then over to your right is a wrapping paper station that is a mess in our filming / sunroom, which is also a mess. But we're not going to talk about it or the nasty couch that's there. I'm just going to move on. This is my bathroom. I poop in here.
Yo.
Yo, 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 we vote for Zoe.
I'm gonna find the freaking...
Look how many lashes are on this. Yeah. The only Christmassy touch in here is my little snowman, and then literally just the shower. So super interesting. And then here's our guest room, which is kind of where we've thrown everything that doesn't fit in other parts of the house because we smushed 2 apartments into one and 4 people into one place. So this is kind of like our room where we put Zoe's just casual extra bed, and then we put our casual extra recliner, and then Zoe's casual extra desk, and then Zoe's casual extra bookcase. Like, it's just a lot.
You don't even...
This closet, I'm pretty sure if I open it, it will explode. Yeah, it will explode, but this is just like 90 jillion jackets that I'm pretty sure most of us don't fit into that belong to us. Because I know most of mine don't fit. But I'm holding on to them, waiting for the day. This is my favorite thing in the entire house, actually. You can't tell, but there's 1,400,000 games in here. Like, you thought that was just it, but no. It goes and goes and goes. But we have so much shite from trying to cram 4 people and 2 households worth of items into one household that it's just constantly a mess.
Could you imagine not having the closets?
No, I really couldn't. Or could you imagine when we were gonna get that 2-bedroom before we found out that this one was only $35 more a month?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then this is just literally more storage. This is mainly my stuff though, just because I have a lot of stuff apparently. And it needed to go somewhere, so it's in there. And then this is my room, which I did not clean up for the purpose of this vlog, and I'm sorry, but also, that's me. So this is what you're getting, pure raw Holly. That turned out really gross really fast. Ew! I'm so sorry.
Don't step on your cat.
I really hope my grandparents aren't watching this. Anyway, this is my room. Honestly, I don't do much in here as far as like making it Christmassy. The only thing that's very Christmassy is hearing the gunfire of my lovely boyfriend playing war games in the background. But I just put like some Christmassy bedding on my Christmassy throw. Obviously, the cats are very fond of it. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
He said, meow. Yes, it. And then we actually keep this up all year round, but this is a painting that Brendan's grandma painted. And then over on this wall, we have a picture that my grandma took and like edited into that cool frame and everything. So yeah. And that's this. Okay, I will show this because this is like my pride and joy. This is actually my memory box, and it has like a lot of really important things to me, like cards and like notes from Brendan and stuff. And then these are just shoes that are very special to me. I've actually never worn them. And these were little perfume boxes, but they were so pretty I had to keep them because they were like a little touch to Disney, and I love them. And my little rose quartz so that Brendan and I stay happy in our relationship. Yikes! So this is my little Coke that I found once. This is actually a Scully roll, and it's to help keep the it's like a therapy for your back. So you put it underneath your neck and you lay on it, and it helps to like keep the natural curve in your neck. But right now I'm using it to store my Minnie Mouse ears. This is where I keep like all my Minnie ears, and I just needed somewhere to put them, and I love having them on display. And I kind of want to rotate them like throughout the season. Like when it's my birthday, I'll move this one back and put the birthday ones up. You know what I'm saying? I just love it. Brendan t-shirts. Picture of my family with Georgia Tech shakers and sunglasses. Don't know what I was thinking there aesthetically. And then as we move down, this is, I think, Brendan and I's date jar, which we have never used. So, if you want to, you can come to one of Robin's Air Force Base with me. They have an aviation museum Brendan wants to go to.
Oh my god, you know that's where Bailey and Jared are from.
Oh wow, we'll come visit you guys. And then a picture of me and my best friend in Paris. Oh my gosh, okay, I actually will show you this because
I knew
it's
you
super
were going
cute.
to.
So this is actually like a mermaid or a Little Mermaid themed perfume like roller. And then this, my cousins got me last year. It's a doppelganger. Doppelganger.
I know.
It's a doppelganger for me, can't you tell?
See, she knows.
It's a dingle hopper, and I just think it's the cutest thing.
Doppelganger.
And it has like a little heart on there. I don't know. I just think it's so pretty, so I store them in that little thing together because I don't know what else to put in there. And I just think they're really cute, and they're just like another little Disney touch within my room.
That's like what Disney.
I love when they look like little nuggets.
Look at how close I am.
Y'all insane.
Most important part of the tour. Okay. This is my old dresser that I bought for $40 on Facebook Marketplace.
Turn up.
Yeah. It's really old though, and it's literally falling apart, so. These are my books. All of them. Not all of them. A lot of them. And then this I got for myself in Disney World. And I put it up at Christmas time because it just like reminds me of Disney Christmas and I love it. This is Brendan and I's vision board, and it has like manifestations that Brendan and I have on there and like goals and stuff. And then it has this really lovely letter that Brendan wrote to me because he loves me sometimes.
Sometime.
And this is actually a really fun present. My mom's best friend, she's like another mom to me, gave this to me on the day that I graduated while we were also celebrating my birthday, and they're
selling my birthday.
$25. Who'll take it? Bro, I'm telling you, my brain is not coherent after spending 40 hours looking at that goddamn cover art. Anyways, but this is like when I was announcing that I was launching my own fitness apparel line called Holly Lolly, and our whole thing is like lollipops. So she gave this to me, and I just like love it because it's like, it kind of was like a symbol that we believe in you, and I really appreciated that. Gonna go all sloppy now. And then this is Brendan. He's permanently affixed right here. You cannot move him. He does not move.
Nay.
Oh,
So close. So close. Your battery's blinking.
oh gosh. Okay, I'll hurry. These are my Godzilla. No, these are Brendan. These are Brendan's Godzillas. I hate them. The cats hate them. Everyone hates them except
No one
for Brendan.
hates them.
And then this is like where I keep important papers that I need for blogging. Those are actually pictures that my sponsor child, Pacifique, drew for me, and they're so precious. I loved him. She turns 8 in February. And then these are Brendan and I's powerlifting medals, and that is the end of the show. My Super Sonic show. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, anyways, hope you guys like this little Christmassy apartment tour. I swear, I'm in the weirdest mood, I can't help it. Please like, please subscribe. For the love of God, do it. Thank you. Follow me on my social medias. And I'll see you in the next video. My super short show.